ProVista is something that I really never expected to see in my lifetime. I love turfgrass. I love working with it. I love everything it stands for. I think it makes a lot of people around happy. I think it's great for our environment, and this one is the best thing that we've ever had for our environment. Scott's ProVista provides us with an environmentally friendly turf that you can use less nutrients while still maintaining color. And obviously the reduced mowing is a huge impact on carbon use.
I mean, I think they undersell it. It truly does not grow that fast. Even in the midst of the rainy season, I hardly ever have to mow but every 2 to 3 weeks.
You're not traveling across it, you're not mowing it and weed eating it and trimming it. That's obviously good for the environment.